Good morning, guys. Um, Today, what we're gonna do is my 2012 LML. We gotta change the LED bulbs on the headlight. They turn purple. Bought them from eBay a couple months back, and woke up one day and they just light up purple, and they just keep getting more purple, almost getting bluish now. So I'll show you guys what it looks like right now. I bought some new ones that I've been using before. They're pretty good. Um, Again from eBay. That's normally where you get them all from. But they're a better quality. So that's what I'll be doing today. Got this new microphone. I hope it works better with the noise reduction around me. So let's take it to the next step. So here's my baby. Let me show you what it looks like. I can see that. Yeah, that's a no-no. So we're gonna take care of that today. All right, let's get the multi-tool here. Open these packages up. So this is the brand. From all the lights I use, this is the better brand. I get probably a year and a half out of them. I use them on my other truck, so I don't no complaints. And of course, these are all made in China, so like everything else nowadays. What is this? Oh, there's the backup camera I got to replace. So this is for another video. So let's put this over here. So we're gonna open this up. Of course, sorry, the light is with a sensor, so after a while it just turns off. So let's see what we got. Okay. Got the little fan in the back, okay, to keep them cool. Not bad. A little tool to adjust it, zip ties, a sticker, and the manual that nobody reads. So if I think this is the low, this is the high beam, and this is the regular one. Let me double check on that. So that's this part. Put this back in here. Okay. Pretty good. Wow. Actually made some, feel like it's made out of metal, some type of cast. I don't think it's aluminum. Like a magnet. Oh, yeah, metal. That's the first. It's not plastic. This one is something. Pretty good. Quality looks good. Same thing. Well, these are going to be the ones we're going to put in. We just got to figure out which one is the high beam, which one is the low beam. And I'll see you at the truck. Well, guys, these things right here, if you have a lifted truck, I recommend it. You can use it as a little table, step on it. Put little tools here. Pretty practical. So, take the little clips out. So the H11 will be the low beam. $9,005 will be the high beam. Okay, so we figure that out. Funny thing is, the high beams on this one, they still work. Barely get used. But this is my fault because I bought some cheap ones on eBay. So, it goes to saying you get what you pay for. Yeah, let me show you guys how they burned out. I don't know if the camera will focus. You can see this one. The yellow part is kind of almost gone compared to this one. This is the high beam, never get used. But anyways, these will be trash. The balls look the same. I thought they would have marked the number. Does it here? Okay. So this is the 11th, would be the low beam. This goes. The low beam will go here. Top part. So that looks good. It lined up. Let's see if the high beam does the same. So they have this little Allen key. You can loosen it up and move the bracket to adjust the light, line it up. I don't know if you guys can see this here. See how it's not straight. So I'm gonna have to take it back out and adjust it. That I did learn one time. That's how you get the better projectile. There you go. That's how you want it. If you look at it straight high, see how it lines up? Then we're gonna plug this in. Have a keep here. We're gonna test this. Much like it. I like it much. That's basic. Nice. Oh, you can hear this one makes a lot of noise. Yeah, don't do the purple out here. One side, now we jump to the other. Right to repeat the process. Let's test this out. Much better. works. Much better. See, it's the little things that make me happy. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. That'll be it for today. Hit the like button. I will appreciate that. And subscribe. Have a good one.